Would you rather become a femboy or become a furry? You thinks I am stupid? I saw you going between the two doors.
Would you rather absolutely nothing or kill all your friends for a cheeseburger?
Would you rather have large arms or have large legs? Would you rather A, a beggar follow you everywhere for Robux?
Did you do your homework?
Your mom yell at you for no reason?
Answer me when I talk to you.
No stop.
Get off Roblox. You have played enough today. Enough screen for today. It will damage your eyes. Go to sleep now. Go play outside instead of playing that trash game. I work all day and this is what I get? Stop ignoring me, you ungrateful kid. You are adopted, by the way. Help me with laundry, you lazy kid. Your school grades are failing. Explain that. Did you clean your room? I will never purchase you Robux ever again. Did you do your homework?
Would you rather save the orphans from a fire? Or you can chat with that femboy. What the hell? It doesn't make any sense. Just save the orphans, please.
Bruh.
You know what? Karma will get you one day. Would you rather have a boy voice when you chat or have a girly voice when you chat? Try to chat anything now.
Cope.
Would you rather be forced to chat cringe messages or watch 1 minute of cringe Peppa Pig?
Dinosaur.
Bruh.
Too scary.
Too much dinosaur for today.
Your turn.
Huh?
Bedtime.
The fuck? I hope you enjoyed the movie. Would you rather revert your character or revert your controls? Would you rather nuke France or nuke America?
Oui, oui, fuck it. Coração, coração. Oui, oui, oui. Oh. Oh, sacre bleu!
You just killed 70 million people. Bravo! Would you rather be overweight or be underweight? Would you rather a firework launcher or some kind of megaphone? Would you rather loose your legs or loose your arms? You looks like a potato chips now. Would you rather have long nails or have long eyelash? Would you rather a giant air balloon or a remote-controlled tank? Would you rather favorite the game or get banned for 6,785,294,125 years? I know you didn't click on yes.
No McDonald's. No.